Magic.
What's up everyone, it's your Void Boy here, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of Yu-Gi-Oh cards, we're going to be opening Magic cards. This box was given to me by my little brother, so I thought I would open it on here, and we can see what cool cards we get from it. I know this is more of a draft set, but it's also like a collectible thing, because a lot of the cards can't even be used, but some of them can, and there are ones I'm looking for. I'll put those up here. I really want the most dangerous gamer. I think building a deck around that would be cool. And then getting the Galaxy, well, not the Galaxy foils, but just the borderless Shocklands would be really cool. And I'd also like to get cards around the most dangerous gamer too. That'd be pretty sweet. But yeah, thanks again to my brother. I'll put his social medias up here for a second. You can go follow him if you want. But yeah, let's get into this box. Ooh, comes with the box topper too. Didn't know that. This is pretty cool and cute. I'll probably stick this on something. I like this. Let's see what we get in the box topper. Ooh, got Overgrown Tomb. All right. Well, that goes for the most dangerous gamer, so hopefully we pull him. That's really cool. So I know the cards with the acorns can't be used in tournament play except for in this draft format, but let's see what we get. Questionable Cuisine. I imagine a lot of the cards are going to be cards that can't be used. Like this one can because it doesn't have the little symbol down here. Alien Crab Horror. Okay. There's a lot of cards in these packs. Brim's Baron Midway Mobster. Park Reentry. Ambassador Blorpity Blorp Boop. Jesus. Oh hey, we got the most dangerous gamer. Well, we've already successfully got everything we wanted. Cool swan. So these attractions are something I think you build the new cards around. This is go visit. You may put a sticker on an online permanent you own. Okay. Oh, you get two. These have different backs as well. Squirrel stack. That one can't be used. Got a clown robot. And some stickers. Little Viking hat. Okay. Unlawful entry. Alright, maybe. Okay. Xeno squirrels, that's cool. Decisions. Oops. Tickling Minebot. That's cool. Too bad it can't be used and stuff, but that's cool. Ooh, this is one of the special art cards. Okay, cool. Killer Cosplay. This is a mythic. Interesting. Cool planes. Put that there. Fortune Teller. Log Feed. This is a rare attraction. Cool. A clown robot. And that's cute. I like that sticker. Oh, you can stick like First Strike on there too. Like you literally can just like put these on. That's crazy. There really is a lot of cards in these packs. Croquade Astronaut. Oops. Bar entry. The art for this is pretty fun. Got a couple of those already. Pie eating contest. Angelic Harl. Japanese artist. What's a souvenir t-shirt? Looks like this isn't a card you can use in anything. It's a sick mountain though. Drop tower. Scavenger hunt. Another clown robot. And some stickers. What I'll probably do is sleeve up a bunch of these and just make a like little draft set with them. Because why not? Besides the ones I use for the most dangerous gamer. Glitter flitter. Mistakes were made. These names. Ballerina. Barrel dice lost. I think this one's good. I think I was reading this earlier and this card's actually like pretty decent. Roll 2 6-sided dice, return any number of cards with total mana value X or less from the graveyard to your hand, where X is the total number of those results. Yeah, no, this is pretty good. It's a pretty good instant. Soul Performer. It's a cool forest. Pick a Beeble. Hall of Mirrors. Oh, that's a rare one. A food token. Look at that giant hamburger. And some stickers. A good day to pie. Seasoned Buttoner. Vegetation Abomination. That's a cool name. These sets are really interesting. I love the art and stuff. Haber Thrasher. Nice. Declared Loon Joy Sculptor. Another mountain. That's pretty cool. Pick a Beeble. A different one though, because the numbers on the side change. And Trivia Contest. And a treasure token. And some stickers. Disembowel. Haven't got any foils yet. Tapper. There's a lot of cards in these packs though. Grabby Tabby. Another Haber Thrasher. Attempted Murder. I want to get that Saw in Half card. That's a really good card. Ooh. It came from planet Glurg. This is another mythic. That's pretty cool though. Cool swamp. Another Pick a Beeble. Roller coaster. Food token. Some food stickers. Got a corn dog. Now you see me. Line cutter. That Seasoned Buttoner again. Whoa, 6-sided die. What a funny name. Monitor, monitor. Ooh, another one of the showcase cards. What are the Spinneret Arachnibat? That could actually be used. Cool. Oh, another one. I got a rare one. Ignacio of Myra Marvels. Pretty cool. A mountain. bumper cars. Ooh, a foil. Brimus Baron Midway Mobster. And a showcase one. Cool. A cat. And stickers. We're just gonna move the box out of the way because it's just in the way. Clowning around. You may apologize, and if you do, gain 3 life. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. Autograph book. That's pretty cool. Hey, Celebrate 8000. It's a robot clown. Hey, finally got an island. First island. Cover the spot. Some more bumper cars. Ooh, a foil swamp. Now that's cool. Look at that. Yeah. Very nice. An octopus token. And some stickers. Bag check. I love that there's like a ticket mechanic in this, and that it actually transfers over into the normal game too. Pin collector. Proficient pyro dancer. Another one of those Midway mobsters. But I got the foil showcase of that. I saw that this dude was kind of interesting. Like he could actually be an EDH like commander, so that's pretty cool. Rex Nebula. A normal swamp. Costume shop. Ooh, another Hall of Mirrors. I wonder if that one's different. Ooh, hey. A foil Xeno squirrel. Cool. Teddy bear. And some stickers. Bird gets the worm. Xeno squirrel. Got a foil one now. Goblin. I guess the galaxy foil of this is really expensive for some reason. Park map. Juggletron. Oh, 3 valves. Katarina of Mira's Marvel. Got the showcase red one, whatever that is. Forest. Concession stand. The Superlatorium. Ticket bucket buy. Amphibionot. I'll have to go through all these cards and see which ones I would want for that deck. Because I know you'd want to revolve it around the attraction thing. Assembler, ensemble. Astroquarium. Spooky. Wicker picker. Main event horizon. Cool. Another swamp. Roller coaster. Storybook ride. Oh, it's a rare attraction. That's pretty cool. I want to get all the attractions I can that are rare because, like I said, I want to build one deck around these cards. So. Card. Big winner. The big one. The big top. Complaints clerk. D00DL caricaturist. Caricaturist? Yeah. That is really far down. Or really far up, I mean. It's like not centered very well. An island. Roller coaster. Bounce chamber. Ticket bucket butt. And a hamburger. Questionable cuisine. Now you see me. Coming attraction. Aardwolf. Discourtesy clerk. Ooh, Ambassador Blorbity Bloop Blorp in the showcase. Cool, cool. Ooh, saw it in half. Nice. This is a really good card in general. Like, this card's crazy. I'm glad I got one. Nice. Planes. Clown extruder. Gift shop. Clown robot. Blufferfish. Gobsmacked. These names, man. Chicken True. Ooh, the Space Family Goblisons. That's like one of the actual usable rares. Or not rares, usable legendaries. Tuscan Whiskers, that's another one. Tekochet Elemental. Huh. That's a cool mountain, it's just like a planet. Dart throw. Scavenger hunt. Ooh, a foil. Complaints clerk. Maybe we'll run into the showcase. Most dangerous gamer. That'd be cool. Get a foil showcase one. This box would have been meant for me then. 100%. Goblin Grinder Gang. Or Goblin Girder Gang. There's a bunch of goblin cards in here. Photo up. It's a mythic. Cool, cool. It's a cool forest. Jesus. Memory test. Clown robot. And some cheese. Boing. Step right up. Big winner. Blank Osaurus. Cool. Complaints clerk. We got a foil of that. Octo Opus. What's this? Knife and Death. Looks like it's not one of those playable cards, but still cool. Cool. Mountain. Kitty coaster. Balloon stand. Ooh. Elf performer in foil. Well, foil rare. Cool. A treasure token. Employee of the month. Alright, so we've gotten a couple foils. Foil rare's cool. Though I'm most stoked on the foil swan. Plot armor. Gray Merchant of Alphabet. Awesome. Resolute Vegisaur. Surprise Party. Planes. Spinny Ride. Concession stand. Food and some stickers. Step right up. Blorbian Buddy. Cute. Lost Voyage of the Blank. Get your head in the game. Get your head in the game. How's this a par 3? Trivia contest, a foil. Ooh, we got the Seasoned Buttoner in a foil. Pretty cool. Treasure and a catch. Wolf in Blank clothing. Grabby Tabby. There really is a lot of cards in these packs. Alright, we got the normal version of this one. Hardy of Miria's Marvels. So we've got a bunch of these Miria's Marvels people. Forest. Guess your fate. Stormcrow. Prize wall. Down for repairs. Non-human cannonball. A vehicle. Night Shift of the Living Dead. Ooh, hey, another one of those showcase cards. D, Finder of the Lost. Starlight Spectacular. That's a usable card. Nice. Island. Clown. Ooh, Swinging Ship. That's an attraction that's a rare one. Cool. Balloon. This is a fun box, though. Jetpack Janitor. Okay. One of the legendaries that are usable. Another one of the legendaries that are usable. Roxy. Mobile Clone. It's one of the Infinity cards. Maybe there's a cool token? Just a treasure. Blufferfish. There is this one rare zombie that I want. I forget what its name is. Maybe it's the Lost and Found one? Don't remember. Hey, another one of those Paradise. We got the Carnival Barker, the one that's on the packs. Yeah. Got the one on the pack. Nice. Cute. Ooh! Hallowed Fountain. Very cool. Got another one of the lands. Nice. Spinny Ride. Trash Bin. Ooh, and a foil. This is an awesome pack. So instead of a land, you can get a dual land. That's pretty cool. Got a couple of those cards in that same order, specifically. Real handful. How cute. Alien child guest. Squirrels. Urza's Funhouse. Cool. There really is much more cards in this than the Yu-Gi-Oh boxes that I'm used to doing. Those only have 5 cards a pack. These have like 14. Amped up. Scampire. I didn't read that thing's name earlier. Quick Fixer. Dalkin Squirrel Whacker. The Dalkin Squirrel Whacker. It's a usable card, okay. Cool Forest. Dark Throw. Ooh, Merry-Go-Round. A rare one. Teddy Bear. Disavow. Soul Swindler. It's a cool card. I don't think I've gotten one of those yet. Maybe I have. I feel like there's one of those cool showcase cards in here. Hey, there is. Ooh, a mythic one. Lila Hospitality Hostess. Cool. Mythic showcase. Oh, Tunnel Love Attraction. Nice. Food. Wizards of the Coast. Rat Hat. Pie eating contest. This form of the approach of the second sun. What the fuck? It's a dope island though. Drop top. Raindrops. Ooh, a foil. Foil common, but cool. Alright. This video will probably be a little bit longer just because these packs are so big. Another one of those sources. A big winner. Ticking Mime Bot. Splash. Ooh, a mythic. Not one you can use, but a mythic. It's such a cool planes, oh my god. Prize wall. Gotten a bunch of those. Motion sickness? Don't think I've gotten this yet. Nearby planet. Alright, let's see what the rare is going to be. There we go. Ooh. Florist of Miriam's Marvels. Okay, so I think I have all the Miriam Marvels cards. This one's a showcase too. Attraction. Chamber. Protection from robots. Clown robot. Balls of fire. Alright, let's see the rare. Ooh, mythic. Still one we can't use though. Tug of War. Balloon stand. Don't think I had that. Ooh, a rare one. Push your luck. Can't use that though. Oh well. Down for repairs. This is a funny card. Wizards of the Feeling something good in this pack, though. Common, uncommon. Alright, let's see what the rare is. Blue ribbon. Whew, something was good in this. Got steam vents. Alright. Costume shop. Guess your fate. Ooh, a foil one. That's pretty cool. Information booth. That really was a good pack. Had a foil, had a dual land. Sheesh. This dude's so cute. Icing manipulator. Don't try this at home. Foam weapons kiosk. That's cute. Information booth. A squirrel token. Squirrel. 5 packs left. Alright. This one's gonna have the Jace in it. Ride guide. Quick fixer. It's the rare. Exchange of words. It's a funny art. Forced. Costume shop. Squirrel stack. Ooh, a foil. Now you see me. Super duper lost. Some of these card names. Alright, what rare we get? Whoop. Omni Clown Colossus. Interesting. Foam weapon rack. Oh! A foil mythic. I mean, not a usable one, but a foil mythic. Photo op. Cool. I mean, so far so good though. Got a bunch of cards that I wanted. And I never even planned on buying one of these boxes, so shout out to my brother. Meet and greet Cisse. Fortune teller. I don't think I've gotten one of those yet. Gallery of the Legends. A rare one. I think there might be a foil in this pack. Yes! How is this for par 3? Foil rare? Cool. If you made it this far in the video, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite card that's been pulled so far is. Alpha Guy or Alpha Guard? This is the one I got the very first showcase stuff. See what the rare is. Centaur of Attention. Cool. Drop Tower. Sure Ashbin. Food. Alright, this is going to be the one with all the foil dual lands. And a Galaxy Foil Jace. Or something. I don't know. Alright. Uncommons. Rare. Ooh, got a mythic. Got this one's usable. This is like the actual usable mythic. Alright, cool. This guy's actually really cool. I wanted him too, but wasn't super worried about getting him. Fortune teller. Zombie employees. Some stickers. Well, alright. I got the card I wanted to build an EDH deck around, so I'm stoked on that. So, it's a good box automatically. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite thing that was pulled was, or let me know that you like Magic videos and want to see me open more Magic boxes, and I could probably do that in the future. Hit that bell if you're not already, and I will see you all next time. Later.